Good day, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. And in this video, we are going to do the navigation part, and we are going to design three screens, which are login screen, sign up screen, and forgot password screen. And obviously, we need the navigation to move into our app. So let's just get started. First of all, I'm gonna remove this code from app.tsx file because we're just gonna build the structure of our app folders. So just copy this style in your notes if you are just following with me. If not, you can just follow this video. First of all, command A, then delete. All code is removed. Then we have to change the name to app.js. I always prefer to work in Java, code in JavaScript. So now in our source folder, we have to create another folder which will be auth. In the auth folder, we are going to make our screens for authentications, which will be login, sign up, and forgot. And then we are going to con make a folder for navigation container. And I think these folders are coming in image, which is not the right path. I'm just gonna wait 1 second. I'm just gonna remove this one as well so that you guys don't get confused. Delete the source folder. Okay, now we have deleted everything. Now in our folder, we're going to create another folder of source. In the source folder, we are going to create a folder auth. Then we are going to create the folder navigation container. I don't know why this is creating. Okay, if you're like this, if we are having issue in creating folders, just simply go to your desktop, wherever you have your app folder. This is the app folder crash course going in. I'm just creating another folder, new folder, source. And see, the source is here now. In the source folder, I'm going to create navigation container folder. This will handle all of our routes. In I'm gonna create another folder, auth, and I'm gonna create another folder for images. So yes, all set. Now the source have all different folders, and in this images folder you can put images whatever you like. So we will just do now. Okay, first of all we have to get the image from the internet. Background images for app. Okay, which one we should take for this? I think we will take this one. Let's see. Download free. Allow. Okay, and yes, so So this, here is the photo, desktop, splash, sorry, no splash, yes, background. So background, this image we are going to put in source and images. So for logo, we should get a nice logo. I don't have any logo design, so that's why. So I'm just, gonna get the logo of, how to say, we have to get the logo which should not be a copyright or something. So let's just create a free logo. My logo. So I'm just gonna choose design. Tuk tuk tuk. Okay, continue. It's preparing logo for us. So yes, our logo will be, yes, our logo is ready. So I'm just gonna take the logo, this one. I will take this logo, or let's just take this one. I think we have to take the screenshot of the logo. Yeah, we have took the screenshot, and yes. To remove the logo background, I recommend you to always use this remove background. Upload your logo here. Where is it? Here you go. So it will remove the background from your logo. Yes, it's giving you the transparent background logo. So just take the logo from here, crash course, source, images, put it here, and give it the name logo. I'm sorry that took our a little bit time, but everything is for just for you so that you can easily learn. So in this auth folder, we're going to make screen login screen.js, and the other one we are going to make sign up screen.js and forgot password.js. So first of all, we are going to design our login screen. I'm gonna import view from React Native, node types. I would like to get view from it. So this view is gonna take the style from our container. Styles.container. I already copied the styles which we did in our previous video. So for one second. it was the uh, constant styles you have to get from this. So this, just copy this folder. Oh, sorry, not folder, just copy this code and put it here. Here you go. So this style sheet you have to import from React Native. This is our container folder and this will be our image folder. We are going to use the same styling, so I don't like to waste my time in typing this CSS every time. So this one we have to type styles.container. So we are going to put image background first. I hope you guys know very well how to put the background image, because I have already teach you about this in my previous video. If you don't know, then you can learn that thing in this video as well. I'm going to give the path where I have my images. And for that, I'm going to use the image background.jpg. JPG, and I'm gonna give the style same styles I gave in my previous video. Here you go. So let's check. Okay, 1 second. Sorry. We did not configure the navigation thing, so we cannot check the progress. So let's just quick fix the navigation folder. In navigation container, make a folder with the name of routes.js. So in this routes.js, we are going to import our screens and navigation thing. So first of all, you have to install the library React Navigation Native Stack. So we will check for that library. React Navigation Native Stack. We're going to install this one. Copy this, Control C, kill the terminal, and Command V to paste, enter. It will install the library in package.json here. So after that, yeah, so here you can see it has installed the library in your package.json. So I think for now we only need this library. So let's move to the routes folder and import, create stack navigate. Okay, here you go. And then you have to type okay, one other library we have to download install is React Navigation Native. Navigation Native, this one we have to install. our package.json. So it simply install the React navigation. So to save time, I'm just gonna get the libraries from one of my other app. So it's package.json. I'm gonna get all of these libraries, React navigation, stack, and etc. So that we can waste our time, cannot waste our time in finding the libraries. You can just simply type uh, these libraries. You can simply just type these in your package.json. I will also provide these libraries in the description. Just copy and paste, Command S or Control S on Windows, then npm install, and it will install all the libraries. So right now we have navigation native stack, navigation stack. We are going to use these libraries later on, and navigation native and this React native navigation. We are going to use this one now, and I hope we are not missing any library. Okay, yeah, all good. So this one and this one we're going to use in our. Okay, for this folder, just move everything and change. Okay, so routes, import navigation container from React navigation native. React, where is it? React navigation native. And instead of typing this container, um, I want you to just type navigation. Okay, so let's import our screens. Import login screen from auth login screen. Import I'm sorry guys. Just copy the same path as we have all of these screens in the same folder. Login screen, sign up screen, and what was the name of other screen? Forgot password. Just change the okay. So we have imported the navigation, we have imported the screens, and now we have to create the stack. Const stack is equal to create navigation stack, and after that we have to type function app navigator, and then just type return. Here we are going to import navigation container, which we imported from the library. Navigation container, and in this navigation container we are just going to uh, type our call our screens. So for that we are going to use the stack dot screen then the name of your screen. uh, what's the name of your screen? You can say the login, just type any name whatever you like. Then which component should be called on for this screen? We need login screen, this login screen we want, and then just close the tab. Okay, so similarly we are going to import all of our all of our screens here. This one is sign up. You can call, okay, this sign up screen, and then for forgot password we are going to forgot for forgot password, this one and this one. Okay, so this is our app navigator right now, and we still have to export this function. Export default app navigator. Here you go. So yes, for this in routes until now we only need this stuff, control S and command S for MacBook users. And now we are going to move in our app.js folder, this. Okay, so in app.js we are just going to call our routes folder. To call that, just type import that screen first, import routes from, just go to the folder, source, navigation, and routes. Okay, we have called the routes, and now just function const app. This is the name of this function app. Whatever name you are using this, you have to type this name here. If here we will type application, then you have to type application later. Okay, const app. So this is our function. In this function, what we are going to do? So we need to call the routes folder in this function, so that whenever our app will run, it will simply run this screen, and which will be the login screen at first. Return. In return, we are going to import fragment from React, and in that fragment we are going to call our routes, these routes, and after that we are just going to export our function, export default app. Okay, so now whenever app will run, it should run the login screen, as we are calling this in our app.js file. So let's see either it's working or it's giving us some error. Just type npm start. Close these screens for now. Okay, so it's an error. It's saying property WP doesn't exist. Property WP doesn't exist. But okay, we are not calling any prop. Comment this code. Now try again. Yes. And it should show us this background image. Let's rerun the app and see, maybe there's some issue with the libraries of navigation. We control C and npm install, because I think when I copy and pasted the libraries here, it did not install libraries because we did not run the command npm. So it's saying error. Just don't worry, npm install dash dash force. The video is getting really long. I did not expect it that. Now try to um, install your app again, because Sometimes the libraries did not get configured easily, so you just have to rerun your app. So it's saying unknown plugin Kotlin Android. So what's that plugin? I think it's in compile SDK version is not specified. Please add it to build.gradle. Let's see, either these are the libraries or what's the issue. Cut this. So this is how we are going to solve our errors. This is the most important part in development. I think I'm using the latest version of React Native, but I copied the older version of libraries from my previous code. That's why it's giving us, yeah, that was the error. So we just have to, install libraries with the latest version. My God. So I'm gonna install these libraries step by step. So first of all, I'm gonna install these React Native responsive screens. Install. Why it's not showing us the library here? Let's try another one. The other library. Uh, it's installed. It's just not showing up here. We need this one, React Navigation Native. Copy. Okay, so see, yeah, it's just giving the version issue. Let me just close this and let me just restart the Visual Studio Code. See, it has already installed our libraries. I don't know why it was giving us an error. Now let's install this in the library. exact match, copy, hit navigation native state, here you go, and similarly just hit navigation state. We are going to search for this exact match, copy, paste. So now we have all the libraries according to this version. So I hope this time our app will not give us any error. Just uninstall the app from the emulator, app info, uninstall this. So app is uninstalled, then install the app again. I hope this time we are not gonna get any error because I really want this app to run right now. The video is already for 37 minutes. Yes, exactly. It's installing the app. Type npm start. Okay. It should run our login screen design right now. It should, because nothing is wrong right now. Launching on device. Okay, launch it. We will wait for you. After the app will get launched successfully, I will end this video here and will continue on our next video, which I am gonna uh, put right after this video. So you guys don't waste your time and can continue wherever we are. And I also want you to guys keep trying and keep learning new things and keep debugging by yourself, because uh, whenever you will fix uh, any bug, it will make you a good developer. Fixing bugs means developing good apps in future. But right now, why it's what's the issue? Let me just this is my first text. Let's see whether the text is coming or not. Style is equal to font size 30, color black. Okay, 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 okay. Routes, in routes, we are calling this screen. What should be the error? What should be the error? It's a really frustrating thing. So Oh, hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. I forgot one thing here. Stack dot navigator. And we have to, there we go. Navigation container, stack navigator, and then these screens. Command S for Mac users and Control S for other users. Got an invalid component prop. Okay, we did not design any screen. Okay, screen stack header config was not found in UI Manager. React Native require components. Let's search this error on internet. Why we are facing these errors? Okay, so let's see if we are able to find any solution here. React Native safe area context. Yes, obviously. Let's install these two dependencies and check either it will work for us or not. React Native screens, we already have safe area. I think we need this. Let's try. This is how the development works. Whether every time you get error, you get frustrated, you search for it. Okay, React Native safe area context. Now reinstall the app. I always reinstall the app after I add any dependency in my package.json to make sure it get installed successfully and linked to my project successfully. So we are just installing the app now after installing this library React Native safe area context. I'm sure if you will keep watching these videos and will complete the course, 100% sure you will be able to make your own app and you will be able to put ads in your app and can start earning. I'm sure for that. And you can be so confident you can easily get big projects. You can say yes to them, that you guys are ready to make any kind of app because these are you always have to use this navigation techniques. Okay, so you can say if you have already implemented the navigation in your app, it means 50% work is done in your application. You just have to design your screens. 30%, then 20% you have to connect your backend APIs with your app, and your app is complete. So, but practice makes everything perfect. I want you to practice everything like right now. I got an error and I just search on the internet for this error and I got this solution. Like do that, and then I'm trying. I'm still checking this page out. If that will not work, then maybe there is another solution. But I'm sure only this library we need which was left. because I know I faced this error before, but it's a long time. It's been 2 months, so I forgot about this. Uh, why this is taking too much time? Okay, it's finished, and we're gonna just start the terminal. You can see my laptop space is getting low, due to which it started working slow. As soon this app will get run, I'm gonna just end this video, and we'll start making the another video from here. We'll keep continue. Okay, it's gonna launch the app. Errors are the part of development, and by solving them you will feel like you can do everything. Okay, it's giving us the error again. Text does not exist. Where the hell is that? Login screen. Command Z on Mac, and uh, I think Control Z on Windows. It should run now. It should. Yes, yes, exactly. This is our header. This is our background screen, and it means our navigation is working perfectly. So I'm gonna end this video now, and in next video we will continue from here. I will told you how to hide this header. I will told you how to make buttons and etc. So just stay connected, and let's move to the next video.